Police arrest 22-year-old for allegedly impersonating officer in Lagos. Okowa spotted at EFCC Lagos office amid ongoing fraud probe. Nigerians raise concerns over IMF's proposed telecoms, petrol taxes. Promote your business with cfinish.com. Exclusive offer. Shop at zoomafine.com in Nigeria. You can negotiate your prices before buy. US names ISIS money movers in Nigeria, others. Lagos denies replacing KI with NURTW. Punch newspapers. Bomb blast rocks Lagos market. Police assure residents of safety. Vanguard news. 278 motorcycles impounded as Lagos intensifies Okada ban enforcement. PM News Nigeria. Lagos records lowest building collapse rate in 20 years. Vanguard news. Neymar's return. Brazil's all-time top scorer moves to rescue World Cup dream.